3, 2, 1. Holy!
There it goes.
This is me. The balloon is that little dot. The teeny little dot up there.
Got my pedal tauntaun. I've got my drone. I've got my checklist. I've got my backpack, which is packed with a laptop, iPad, a couple cameras, a juice box. We got some duct tape. We've got some scissors. And when I say juice box, I'm talking about this bad boy. It's a 20,000 milliamp hour battery pack. We've also got a parachute already hooked up. We've got, so you can see the red parachute, we've got 2 cameras in there. A battery pack as well in there, which is going to be used for powering the cameras even after the batteries die.
As you can imagine, I am freaking out right now. We're going to space. I can't believe what's happening. I got everything in the back. 3,200 liters of helium that converts to 125 pounds of helium. We've got 2 giant balloons. We're only going to use one of them. It's just a spare in case something happens. And this is absolutely insane. Now, I'm not going to make a guide on how to launch a balloon because I followed a guide on how to launch a balloon, so I'll leave those links in the description. But this is absolutely amazing, and I hope it works. If not, it sucks, and you probably won't see this video.
Currently the balloon is traveling down Washington 16 right by Burley Creek, and it's going 49 miles per hour.
We got a GPS signal, and we shouldn't be getting a GPS signal. It's 11:30 right now. And 11:30 a.m. We were supposed to be like receiving another signal closer to like 1 o'clock. So pretty much this isn't a good sign. It says the vehicle's not moving, which means that the package has been delivered, not to the right location. So we're not sure how far up it really even made it. I'm doubting that it even made it into space. So that's maybe a little bit disappointing. And my guess is that if it fell as fast as it did, it probably landed with a big thud, breaking the 360 camera, shattering glass everywhere. So our hope is it landed in an abandoned parking lot, and it is probably looks like garbage, and no one's gonna be willing to pick up garbage. That's the hope. We've just arrived in Medina. We're on Evergreen and 16th, so we should be right here. It shows it on that construction site right there.
We lost the cooler. A cooler?
Yeah, you haven't happened to seen it by chance, have you?
It has two
Little
orange
white
cones
one
on
with
the
a couple
sides.
orange cones. You mind if we take a quick walk around?
Oh, actually, I think maybe I did see it.
This is how we found it. Battery pack was hanging out. Yikes. This was dangling by the cord. Yikes. I'm hoping most of this damage happened on impact, so we have some actually good footage as it was coming down. 360 camera actually did survive. I don't really see any cracking Looks a little moist. Is it still recording is a good question. No, it is not recording. I assume on impact it hit the button.
There's a green light on the side.
Battery says it's still full. Are we still recording? We are still recording, would you believe that? We're gonna stop recording. Look at this, we're here. This is where we found it, and clean that lens off a little bit. But yeah, there we are. Parachute's intact, but I don't think it deployed. This doesn't look like it deployed very well. The juice box is no longer powered on, probably because I unplugged everything. Do we have juice in it? It is still got juice. We still have juice on our juice box here, which is incredible. My wife was super concerned that this thing was gonna break. To be honest, I was too, because you know there's some water out there. So, but blue light there still on. The GPS tracker is still going strong, and if you look at the balloon, you can see this is all that's left of the balloon. Whatever else just blew up in the atmosphere. Look at that. So it's pretty crazy. I'm kind of wondering, look at this, PVC is in great condition. They told me I could return it. I might actually take them up on that option.